In this video, you will learn how to fit bathroom cladding around your bath and create a beautiful bath panel. Start by measuring the length of the bath with a tape measure. Then transfer the measurement onto a piece of wood, as you will use this wood to create a frame around the bath with. Cut this wood with a bench saw or a fine tooth saw. Then measure the lip of your bath with your tape measure. Use a spirit level against the bath to get the wood level with the floor, and then minus the thickness of the bath and your panel. Mark where your timber is with a tape or a pencil. Now use our Fix All super strong adhesive to apply this to the wood. Carefully place this side against the floor level with your tape. You can then remove the tape. The same process can be carried out with the end of the bath. Now measure the length of the bath again and transfer this measurement onto an end cap. Mark clearly with a pencil and then cut it with a multi-tool. Ensure you peel off the protective layer on the end cap, and then you can add the Fix All at regular intervals on the back. Carefully place this against the bottom of your frame. Now measure the height of the bath with a tape measure and transfer this measurement over onto your panel. Cut your panel with a bench saw or alternatively with a fine tooth saw. Add Fix All under the lip of your bath and above your end cap. Then cut off the edge of the panel with the Stanley blade so that it fits flushly against your wall. Slot your panel under the lip of the bath and against the Fix All above the end cap. Then, to ensure your panel fits nicely into the end cap, use a scraper to open it up. Push your panel all the way up against the wall so it's flush. You can carry out this process with the rest of your panels. Now, measure the length that you have left and transfer this onto your panel. Use a spirit level though to cut a level line with your Stanley blade. Now fix this panel into place and use your scraper to ensure that it slots all the way into the end cap. Congratulations, you have now completed the first side of your bath. Take an end cap and measure it against the other side of the frame. Cut this with a multi-tool, and when you've done that, you can apply Fix All to the back. Carefully add this to the bottom of the frame. Now you can carry out the same process as before, adding the panels to the other side of your bath. The last step is to use a rigid angle. Place your rigid angle against the corner of the bath. Then measure from floor to the top of the panel and cut this with a multi-tool. Add Fix All to the back of the trim. Now finally, add your rigid angle to the corner of the bath. You now have a beautiful bath panel that stands out for all the right reasons. We hope you've enjoyed this DIY tips tutorial into how to create a bath panel. Please subscribe for more useful videos.